Sheetal. I'm Aaron's mom. GIIS and WiselyWise for organizing these kind of workshops. I feel it's really, engaging and entertaining as well, because kids really enjoyed this 3 day session with the uh, properly organized, your structure of program. There were games, there were breaks, and learning everything. So I feel my son enjoyed a lot. He's even doing Roblox coding. So
Okay.
yeah, so he was doing both together, morning Roblox coding and afternoon Scratch. So he had fun.